So people, this is how to get on top of the Tin Tower. Now I must remind people, well, you anyway, it is extremely tricky to get up. You must follow every little detail or else you'll be stuck at some point. Now, before you can enter here for Heart Gold, you must have beaten all 8 gyms and gotten the Rainbow Wing. Plus, you also have to beat all 5 Kimmel Girls. Now, if this was for Soul Silver, you get the Rainbow Wing from a guy inside of, well, a guy in Pewter City anyway. Well, anyway, as we head out into the bell tower, remember, every little specific detail is important. By the way, the middle tower there moves. Same goes for the Sprout Tower's middle. Anyway, you go to the right, jump over here, you jump over these, jump over here. Can't see it because of the pole, but you can jump. And up the ladder. I'm not going to be showing you how to collect all the items because I haven't really collected them all and how to get to them, so. And I don't want to get myself lost. For the people who are getting Lugia, this Lugia is so much easier to get than Ho-Oh. By the way, I've already captured Ho-Oh and caught Lugia. Now, you missed that warp panel. You just keep jumping. And jumping. Sorry, not people. Yeah. Take this warp panel. Take the next one. Take this one. Take this one. And then go up the ladder. Oops. Sorry. And then you find another ladder. You go up, and you're at the top. And Ho would be usually standing about right here. When he follows you, it's kind of strange because it's not as original as he actually is. But I'll just go down, and I believe I have him in my party, so I'll show you. No, I do not have him in my party, sorry. But at one point, you will be able to see him. Oh, you've already. Well, you'll see me next time on how to get you to the gym leaders.